Zain, Zain,
What?
can you please give this food to the birds?
But the birds are having rosa.
No, beta. Animals, birds, and insects don't fast in Ramadan. Fasting in Ramadan is compulsory only for humans. And the reason for fasting is to gain more self control, more God consciousness, means taqwa, and to get closer to Allah. Why would animals fast for that matter? They are already closer to Allah. They never ever disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.
Yeah, but some people don't do rosa fasting.
You know, fasting in Ramadan is compulsory for all Muslim men and women. But Allah is very merciful and kind. He has given exemption to some people. Like if somebody is ill or sick, someone is traveling, elderly people, or if someone is mentally disabled. And in some cases, women and girls have exemption from fasting. And also the young children.
But then why do we even do fasting?
You mean you?
Yes.
If you will fast, you will get more reward. But from age of 13, 14, it is compulsory for you to fast. Okay?
Every day of Ramadan.
Yes, all 30 days of
And
Ramadan.
we fast when it's not Ramadan.
Yes, of course, you can fast when it's not Ramadan. Like Ayam Bid, the middle 3 days of each Islamic month. Or you can fast on Sunnah days, like Monday and Thursday. And then there are some more days as well. You can't fast on Eid day. No, you can't fast on Eid days. That is the day of celebration. Okay?
Okay. I want to actually do another.
No, the rosa.
Yeah.
That doesn't count then. Because you know you've broken it. You can't do 2 rosas.
Yes, I can. I'm helping Mama to make samosas.
There you go. There you go.
See? We made samosas today. Would you like to have some? Whoa, get back!
Then shall we do our 30 days challenge now?
Okay. Now where's number 3? Recite 70 Astaghfirullah Rabbi min kulli zambins wa blaze today. This is the month of forgiveness and reformation. So burn your sins.
Do you know why do we do astaghfar?
To burn your sins.
Yeah, and astaghfar burn the sins as fire burns the wood. So where's your tasbih?
Here.